Evidente tokanye kora Abang'ina bari keumbu. Bari bakoni amatoke ebirangwati chifukado emesi Abang'ina bari bakobera keumbu gari akero tukuru Bosongo gostukuru Nairobi tuwetha twabagori ebintu byonse pitwera chinyomba chetu ase gusi yetu Abang'ina bari ne bahati na bakeumbu yakobera na umuntu ausumike suguma oreta paraboni onyora kendera na kinyomba tali bange babwatiri bagabunere gose opportunity bine yo santo bawika batenena bagura kende bamakumuka ba proceed ne sabali yabo nkimbuka keumbu gekubatu kuna ikonge lakini abakeumbu no bakoni mono bana Abang'ina bakeumbu initwanje tika togokonya kabisa kero tukugura ebintu yakoni metabagere abaikoyo abasikisi ngo baguri bale ebintu kibagweta keumbu ninde mono munando bakugura ebintu ebi mugutwara na batwara kigali personal lakini bona kigali chichi personal igoro na chimolenge gushangilia ekero chigwa kwa amagena abandu baino mukubwata amagena mwachiruta abandu mambi kibaraete babaguri na mugwa kamagena na umugo shangilia bamura bakubaita mwabera kabisa neibago gabu mubwate ibago mugachite nabamura nkabagocha babaita kere bakire kigali cyateka abantu bawumia amanyinga iteka mama kumuka mwagenda batanga mukwiriyata moshankingilia mugata ba tutam mota nyali bali chache tutam Abang'ina bakimuni nero nini ngukwaniraga kero kende keruta algo chogusia kero kiro mongina atebete nga ya matiang ini mwabekete uniform ja UDA mwaro chingi gyaverete bantu babagoriti misipiri rukerikaera nende bono Abang'ina bakimbu mwanchire bintu bine bibi bya korekandire Abang'ina bakeumbu mwagotiga amagena koruta akwa bamura bawumia ebyongozi bitabwate mang'ana bakwa amagena batabaramete mwariko batike batene ne gari imwariko kukone na matoke moni ni bisukali moni chinjugu abandi moni chivukado abandi moni mesi lakini bona senye nje obobesa butayo mwakanu made bunga yaya akabanda abamagena talibi ya mwakolete mbobe sana mo especially ndu yanku nite muno no mungine kera kwimuka akoruta ligena kama etengana bura akina no mwana oyore gabo mungine obogori tumwana anda miaka 9 midingi 9 tabandi kwimuka kwakanu besa chukokoranga mwana obando itiro obegete yanga kabisa umugete kebagona amagena gwaka lina manencha amagena nga senye ncho bwakanire ejutali tabi ya gusiye toga ejutali tabi tondu gutwara buna bagusiye Abang'ina bali mbobe mwakolete mugotige ebintu bine bibi bigokorekana ase chinje takere nyali bali chache nje butambe ngo batebinde ntobone tukweruna ntuna abantu abatakamone ngintu tubonde kwero kigune chibesa na gwakanu kurwana seki itogane tia magenderero ache Nyamira county na Kisii county lakini tali true chibesa na gwakanu na kurwana seki tiamba mugano makega ingo kore video ebali le eliere keumbu erwe tororo ikagenda mpaka igale echete gosoka paka nyamaje iya gaje tengagenya chai kanya chai tuchinguru na bagusinga ki twenzi pito kwa kirumu gusimu ntekura ndubwe tubu president akitu kamwa chinguru tukaroki ngaba gusindu bate chinguru epare na liya gaje to epare yu chete bakitumbe yakonyere transport sana eyende kanda poko chikiamo kama chiagachire engaki yango yabongere engaki yumnya chabo atali bagakarokanga nere kingpin paka bona kagosabe para kwewe korana bata bukusimega yae bakoraki bamwete chinguru bona chinga kichi to atwale matiang ase constituency abantu gotanga na mutu ko support matiang nyali bali chacha yakorana baro chibo a benefit obuyabu gutwale kiongozi yake korugusi nyali bali chacha no nyachara ete nini mama ete obuyabu nyachaye kora nabonete kuimuka kobera mu na matiang mu support kabisa mu bose kwa lao abantu bakanu bache keumbu bache kuruta amagena gosoka kigali nimetenga na Abang'ina balimba participated bange babo mware kwa mwanga bamura balimba bali kuruta amagena bamura balimba utumye bibago biri babu ate kwa kigali cyabandi nabo yakunyalekana ngambya yakolekana mukule kabisa mwake chisi muwaka muteye byongozi ngaga keumbu erega neiga yale ko babu yapi Abang'ina bali malokora boyo lakini kubatika bate binde byonse mukwiriyata ribia ere pibia krisigari batiri boronto barura manyinga bantu baitiru mumaocha kuiria tanga yetu akorega ntutam mutigita bamura kabisa bagotenga bakubasa biashara boni ganto batanga mbiya tugorekeroka mbiya tugorigianchere lakini tari keumbu asa abantu bagocha bakanu baita abandi abagusiba minda huike tutike etabia yembe keumbu nche nawo sabo kwane ebenga inariyo mwerio obochoni buno bokorekana abutali bagusiba kuruta amagena bagwaka bande bakubaita njerenga buneri paka mugwite byongozi byagusiyo nyunga maraga birundu ebyongozi byagusi tali bya makolete tali bya makolete ekine egetembe kebikyabete gusi tukugikera bina bugusi twensi nto bwase kugani kwa abantu bakumye njerenga buneri ndogone dikiro monda konye ke gusiga abagina bakyumbu bone ibintu by'abantu bagore banyole school fees akibono muraita abantu keraje betenagali ngura twaro bali mubuko cha kolindu binagali byamuna sana bagusiga ndo subscribe na kufollow mu kwa times tikatobe no mulembe byamono.
Welcome to Humphreys Hill House. Humphreys is a boutique hotel located on Keumbu Hill in Kisii town. We are just 2 kilometers off Kisii CBD. And the hill itself, Keumbu, is culturally significant among Abagusi people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Kisii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Kisii culture. So right from the gate as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our rooms has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Gusii homestead, the authentic Gusii homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. And then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where, again, performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen. As we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphreys, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Gusii culture. Thank you very much.